Morning, welcome. Thanks for tuning in to Kila Chari Torah's daily halacha review for Friday, July the 8th. We're going to start a new topic today, which has to do with Havdalah. Throughout COVID, we had a wonderful, beautiful Havdalah on Zoom, in which we joined together in song and praise of Hashem and appreciation, a nice way to escort the Shabbat out. Let's go a little bit more in depth now with our companion in halacha, Rabbi Moshe David Lebowitz, in Halachically Speaking, Volume 2. Don't worry, we're up to 8 volumes, so we're not going to run out of things to talk about. Let's talk a little bit about Havdalah, what to do, how we do it, and various things to keep in mind. By way of introduction, he says, just as one should respect the holy Shabbat when it arrives, one must demonstrate respect and love. Concern, care when Shabbat departs. The Shabbos table should be covered with the Shabbos tablecloth until after Havdalah. In other words, we're not in a rush to end Shabbos and get on with other things. We want it to linger a little bit, at least the flavor, the sense of Shabbos to linger over as long as we can. Some say the table should remain covered with the Shabbos tablecloth until after Malava Malka, which we spoke about some months before, years ago. Great. Maybe we'll touch on that again. A little meal to accompany something hot to accompany Shabbat out. One should wear one's Shabbat clothing until after Havdalah as well. Some say that in order for everyone to be properly fulfill their obligation of Havdalah, both the reciter and the ones listening should sit. This is based on Kabbalah, brought by Kaf HaChaim Yechavadas. Many poskim say that everyone should stand at Havdalah, and this is the more common custom amongst the Ashkenazim. Indeed, that's what you'll see at our shul. If one has the custom to stand and sat by mistake, one is yotzei b'di'evid, as they say, one is after the fact, has fulfilled one obligation. One must sit in any case before drinking the wine, as we do. Filling the cup. The Talmud in Tractate Eruvin 65a says that any house where wine does not flow has no bracha. The Maharsha, one of the commentators on these interesting passages in the Talmud, says that blessing is evident in a home where one is financially secure to the point where one does not have to be careful that the wine does not spill over the cup. Others maintain that the reason for pouring the wine is based on Kabbalah. Who says that? Magen Avram, Kaf HaChaim. Some have the custom to fill the cup of wine until it overflows. Indeed, that's what I usually do for any cup of blessing, be it Kiddush, Havdalah, or even Sheva Brachas, if I can get away with it. Some poskim maintain that the cup should be filled until the brim, so the wine will spill over when you lift the cup. We will leave it there, and we'll talk about, now that we've talked about accompanying the Shabbat out at the end, let's talk about bringing it in. This evening, tonight, earliest candlelighting is 7:26 p.m. That's the earliest time to welcome in the Sabbath, the holy Shabbos. Actual candlelighting is 8:42. We're already on the march to earlier Shabbatot, a couple minutes earlier than last week. Mincha Ma'ariv, we are not convening this week in Shul for a minyan. It would be at 7 p.m. if we were to do so. Shachris tomorrow morning will be at 9:15. Please join us for that. And Motzei Shabbat, the conclusion of Shabbos, takes place at 9:54 Saturday evening. Have a wonderful Shabbos. Shabbat Shalom. All the very best. Please tune in again after Shabbos.